especially in classics. 1968 Dodge Coronet 440 two-door hardtop. As you can see, kind of a ghost flame, pearl yellow on yellow. A little bit of red highlights in there. 440 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 727 automatic transmission. Rear end is out of a 70 Roadrunner. Does have posi. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. 68's popular front end on this body style. Power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the engine bay. Check that out. Check out the underside, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, writing on the Keystones. Uniroyal radials. And see the car pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the passenger side. Interior, vinyl interior, front bench seat. Shifter on the column. Does have an aftermarket, I believe it was Alpine stereo added to it, and that does work. We're going to check out the interior here when we get around to the driver's door. First, remember that we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the dual exhaust, and you'll be able to check out the exhaust, pans, underside pics once again at UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the trunk, interior, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side here. Again, appears to be pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches. 440 in this was rebuilt, by the way. Also has a new alternator on it, aluminum radiator underneath the hood, and we're going to check that out a little closer when we get done with the interior here. All right, door panels. Good shape. Carpeting, seats, headliner. Also appear and show well. Great car for any local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See, in here at run, it does have a vacuum booster pump on it. So you'll notice a key on. Don't really notice it running or driving from what I could tell. There's gas gauge works, alternator works, does have a little aftermarket tack here. We have an oil pressure and water temperature gauge added down here. And here's your stereo. Sorry I said Alpine earlier. It does not have a name brand on the front of it, but it is in fine working order. And still retains the stock radio and stock looking dash. Wipers do work also. Had those run once before. It's a nice interior, nice sounding and running car. Slip around to the back and hear a nice throaty growl out of that 440. Ooh, that sounds good. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, first off, underneath the hood, good shape. Painted engine bay, dressed up nicely with some chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover, brake booster, aluminum radiator. Your heater hoses still intact, like I said. Cooler alternator. Just a piece of cloth and somebody wiping it off. Nice, tidy looking engine bay also. There you go, 1968 Dodge Coronet 440 two-door hardtop. 440 underneath the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.